Hi, welcome to our channel today. We'll explore one of nature's fascinating wonders, the bee hatching process. Bees are very important insects in the ecosystem, and knowing how they hatch gives us deep insight into their life cycle. Before we get into the hatching process, let's understand a little about the life of bees. Bees live in very well-organised colonies. This colony consists of a queen, workers and male bees. Each has a unique role in maintaining colony stability. It all starts with bee eggs. The queen is responsible for laying the eggs in the nest. These eggs are small and attached to the nest cells. This process is very important because it is from the egg that the bee's new life will begin.
These are bee eggs, which will hatch into bee larvae. The newly hatched bee larvae swim around the cells. A beehive is hexagon-shaped, while feeding on the liquid food secreted by the nurse bees for their consumption. This food keeps the bees growing. Then their heads and legs begin to emerge and change shape as they develop into pupae.
Hard-working worker bees have the responsibility of caring for the eggs. They keep the eggs warm and safe. During this period, they also provide special nutrients that help in the development of eggs into larvae. After a few days, the eggs hatch into larvae. These larvae will later grow and develop in the nest cells. Worker bees continue to pay special attention to the larvae, providing them with nutrient-rich food. The larvae then enter the pupal stage. During this period, the metamorphosis process occurs, and the bee begins to develop adult characteristics. This is a critical phase in bee development.
This is how they change shape in the process of becoming a chrysalis, as seen from the top of their nest, with Vera mites roaming around inside their nest cells. Next, the tissue in their body undergoes reorganization and pigment slowly begins to appear and develop in their eyes, until the shape of their eyes begins to become clear.
After the metamorphosis process is complete, the adult bees are ready to leave the nest cells. Worker bees help open the nest cells and allow new bees to emerge. This is an amazing moment where bees first see the outside world. When adult bees emerge from the nest, they immediately assume a role in the colony. Some become workers who collect nectar, some become nest guards, and others become male bees to reproduce. This entire process is an important part of the bee's amazing life cycle.
In the final stage of the bee hatching process, the bees develop. Their skin begins to shrivel. Their body pigment darkens and hair begins to grow around their bodies.
We hope you enjoyed our journey through the bee hatching process. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and let us know what topics you'd like to see next.